what God has done for me. And thank you, Mommy, for what you've done for me. And I said, God bless you. I went to hospital because I was sick. I reached there, they said they want to do operation. Thank God, Mommy, God called Mommy to come and visit me. I reached there, Mommy prayed for me, I became healed. So I said, I will not do operation again. It's over. They say, I can go. And at this house, I can't go. Even I meet my daughter also sick. At this hospital, I prayed. I thank God that God healed my daughter also.
This sickness happens to her every year. How many years now? Every year. How long do you stay in the hospital when that sickness comes? How long?
Sometimes 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
And that 2 weeks, they will be giving her pain medicine to reduce it. It will still be happening. And when they will discharge her, it will not be okay. They will just see that the thing is not a medicine, something. They just tell her to go home. And still she'll be feeling the pain small. How many years have you suffered from that sickness?
Since 4 years now.
4 years. But last year it happened to her. She went to hospital. She stayed 2-3 weeks. She didn't come to church. They discharged her. The children were not with her. Then she came to church. That thing was still doing her. She just came out last year, just little prayers here. The thing disappeared immediately. She did the same testimony last year. And the thing always happens to her June, July. June this year, July this year, the thing didn't happen. It didn't happen August. It didn't happen September. Then October, the thing came. And that stomach pain, she said that it's more than labor. You can't control it. So sometimes I make her to be in the hospital without seeing the children. The thing come back to her Monday or Tuesday. Monday. She called me in the evening. The one that was crying that the thing has come back. It was so painful. Then I prayed for her. After praying, the thing become less. I told her not to call ambulance. That I will come the next morning, Tuesday. That this is not a hospital issue. That I will come and pray for you. That thing will disappear. So after praying for her, the thing reduced. From 9 o'clock, they said the thing came back so serious. She couldn't withstand it. They called Mama Kimberly them. They called ambulance. Ambulance came and picked her on Monday night. So I came in the morning Tuesday when I took my children to school to go and pray for her. I went there. Mama Kimberly said it was so serious that ambulance collected her yesterday night. I asked which hospital. She said maybe if I check in Clinicum, I didn't see her. I go to Landrasa. Then I first went to Clinicum. Then I was lucky to get her family name because they didn't even put Joy. They put the family name. Then they told me the room. I went there. So when I was going, I was seeing her. They were carrying her on the bed. She was crying. The pain was much. She was crying, thinking of the children at home with Mama Kimberly, thinking of herself. And she was with drip, pain medicine. So I followed the nurse. They put her inside the room. Inside the room, there were 2 people here. She was there with one German woman. The German woman, they saw married these people from this country near Jamaica, Dominican Republic. So when they put her there, they said they're going to do her operation. And they saw appendix, they saw this, they made scan, they saw many things, and she was dying of pain, crying. She couldn't even see where the telephone is. The doctor was calling her, the phone was off. He couldn't even stand up to charge the phone. Then they called the doctor for operation. They have prepared everything for the operation, and they want to come and carry her. And they are preparing papers, everything for the operation ready. I went there when she was crying. They said I want to do her operation. I said, let me pray. I just brought my olive oil. She opened her stomach. When I was praying, what I heard shouted, it has disappeared. I'm not seeing it. She jumped off from the bed. Even the woman that was her neighbor was surprised because they said she has been crying all the night. She just jumped up. I can't see it again. I said I was looking at her. So once I said strength has come, strength has come. He started looking for her hand. Strength has come. That before she was weak, he started looking for her hand. He said she picked for immediately and put it in charge and call Mama Kimberly immediately. See what happened? It has said I'm not doing operation again. Before you know it, I have to leave because the doctor supposed to, Landrasa supposed to pay them like how much, but at least for operation. You are sleeping. You are sleeping. Praise the Lord. How much is for the operation? 6,000 to 7,000 euro. Landrasa supposed to pay Clinicum, so they will not be happy that I just spoiled their job. Immediately I saw the thing has left. I prayed again. He said, before she said it was okay, the thing, immediately I touched here, the thing moved to the other side. I said, I said, everything disappeared. Then I have to leave. The German man that was there was surprised. He has not seen such before. The wife, from Dominican, everybody were surprised, even the mother, because they knew she knew what jumping. You know, the thing is like, it was her like film.
I'll give you the wine and that time.
I left. They came for the operation that she should go. He told them not to touch her, that everything is holy, because you cannot oppress somebody that is no pens, that is healthy. This is how she called me immediately that she didn't come with her boss, that I should come and pick her, that the purse for her boss, money for boss is at home. Then I went immediately, she waited for me downstairs, I carried her home. Jesus has carried the child home. No oppression, because we have a very big doctor, the great physician. Bible call him physician, the great one, doctor above other doctors. She went home. I said I will come the next day to pray the final prayer. She said it was feeling small. I came the next day, it disappeared. From that day to today, have you feel the person again? No. Praise the Lord. This is what they have caught her belly and collected 7,000 euros. God has hit her free of charge. Praise the Lord. We have a doctor here. You don't need to fear. I didn't want them to know that it's prayer that made it to disappear, so that they will not say that maybe when they see me in the hospital next time they will tell me to go. Because if they know me, they see me, they will say no, go, because I'm spoiling their business. I have to sneak. I told her to wait for me downstairs. Praise the Lord. So we have a very big God.